This rider got sandwiched between two careless drivers. First, he confronted the guy in the first car.
You have a problem? With him?
Did you not see what happened?
No, I didn't.
I went to turn right and he went dashcam. He didn't want me to get over.
So you just fucking flew by me because you have some kind of issue with someone else?
I didn't have
With complete disregard for my safety? I have it recorded. As a matter of fact, I have you recorded with that shit on your lap.
I'm sorry.
Chill.
And then he didn't hold back on the second driver either.
Is there a reason you're you're racing kids down the street? There's no particular reason for it. You just feel like it. So you don't give a shit about me being on the road too on a motorcycle. You just feel like flying by me.
I didn't go close to you, buddy.
I don't give a shit if you go close. You went fast enough by me and I'm on a motorcycle. You're racing some fucking idiot. He's an idiot for sure. And there's no doubt about it. But you're grown up. I mean, don't you think that you should be a little more responsible? I mean, there's other people. This is a fucking heavy vehicle. And it's just plain dangerous. I mean, I hope we all just take this shit a bit more serious.
Sorry, didn't mean to.
I calmed down by the time I caught up to you, otherwise I would have broke something. Fucking idiots.
This rider made a critical mistake. He missed the red light and proceeded to fuel up his bike. But what happened next was completely unexpected. A truck driver, furious over the incident, confronted him aggressively. Despite the rider's sincere apologies, the situation escalated beyond control. The driver, in a shocking turn of events, slapped the rider. But then, something happened that the driver never saw coming. What started as a minor argument quickly spiraled into a full-blown confrontation. And when the driver attempted to involve the authorities, things took an even more unexpected turn.
Get the out of here. No, you got my get the get the on. I want my phone. Come on. Sit up, boy. You get this thing. Go get this fucking phone. Crap. Huh? You go get it, bitch. Go fucking get it. Why you go get it? Oh, give me here. Walk. Take your helmet off. Yeah. Walk. Take off your helmet. You want to fucking bite this, right? Right. You almost hit my car with your truck. You got a it's a fucking bike. I almost clipped you and killed you. I told you I'm sorry, but you hit me up. Fucking bone, bro. I'm not scared enough to get it, bro. I'm not scared of you either. 2, 3, what do you think, bro? It was one-on-one. What do you think? You think I'm scared of you? I'm not scared of you. Huh? I'm not scared of you, nigga. Fucking bitch. Get the fuck out, alright? Think your talk. Yo, think your talk. They ever want to be, boy. They ever want to be.
While assisting his friend in moving a broken-down bike, a biker found himself in a tense encounter with a van driver. Frustration turned into anger, and what followed was a heated argument that could have been avoided.
What the f? Come on, come on. No, enough of this. Enough. 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 Come on. No. Enough. Enough. Come on. Come on.
I just said to him, start one of our mates fights.
Come on.
Come here now.
No.
Start booting me and then
Fucking get the fuck off me, you little
prick, mate. You're a lucky little cunt. I won't go to work.
Yeah, work. You stay on the fucking drugs, you twat.
Come on. Come on.
What do you mean I'm going in there?
Leave it. Leave it.
We've got a problem.
What do you mean I know you've got a problem? We're going in there, you silly little cunt. Shut your mouth.
We've got 5 minutes.
Don't start backtracking now, you little
You
prick.
can get in your van, go back to work, you twat.
This rider was calmly taking a turn when a speeding car driver almost hit him. What happened next? Let's just say, things got heated.
What the f you doing? What? What the f you doing? What? I'm turning right, yeah? You! You!
This old lady in the red car slammed the brakes right in front of the rider. The furious rider confronted her, sparking a heated argument.
What are you doing, bitch? Did you just brake check me?
Over, buddy.
Why did you do this?
Right on my ass.
How was I riding on your ass? I wasn't riding. I got a fucking camera in my face, you old hag. You got like 20 years to live at best.
Good.
You want to spend it being a
I
fucking
got your
cunt?
license, please.
Take a fucking picture. Feel free,
When you
man.
drive on somebody's...
I am not driving on your fucking ass.
Bullshit.
Fuck you. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, bitch. Go! Fucking bitch.
A truck driver nearly ran over a biker. The furious rider chased him down, and let's just say their argument wasn't exactly polite.
Problem, I got you on camera, huh? What are you fucking doing, cat? You much rear-ended me, you fucking suck. I got it on camera too, you fucking wanker. Fucking old cat.
Here's a clash between a biker and a cyclist. The biker tried to pass on the right, just as the cyclist turned, leading to a collision and an explosive argument.
Bro, are you kidding me? What the fuck are you doing, dude? What a fucking idiot, eh? These fucking bikers, man, they don't know shit. Are you okay, dude? Dude, you can't come out like that. You're right there in the left lane.
You can't pass me on the right.
Yeah, because you came out.
You can't pass me on the right going straight. You cannot pass me on the right going straight.
Dude.
You got a camera.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, you can't pass me on the right going straight, man.
You
gotta go right. You gotta wait for me. You gotta wait for me. You gotta wait for me, man.
Dude,
you can't pass me.
You came in front of me.
Dude.
I'm going faster than you.
Dude.
You came in front of me.
I was in this lane.
You cannot come here when I'm coming up behind you. You have to stay here. This is where cyclists stay.
You were not here. You were here.
This is one lane.
You were
There is
here.
no this side or that side.
I
This
don't have
is one
time
lane.
to
I'm a vehicle.
stop
You
for
have to
you.
stay behind me.
Dude, you're gonna go on YouTube because of this shit. Because you want to argue about this
Dude,
shit.
I don't give a f if you put me on YouTube.
Yeah, of course
What
you
I'm gonna
don't.
do is I'm gonna go take a picture of your license plate.
Yeah, okay, you go ahead, do that.
I will.
Go ahead, right now. Go ahead. Go right ahead, come. This guy's arguing with me about it.
Completely wrong, man.
How am I
Someone on the
wrong?
right.
Dude, he cut me completely
Go
off.
past someone on the
I
right.
have
It's that
time to
simple.
stop.
Fuck, you're just an idiot driving. You don't pass someone on the right with a cyclist.
Dude, he
It's
came in
common
front of
sense.
me.
You're just an idiot.
He came in front of me.
You're an idiot. I saw the whole thing right behind you.
Okay, go right ahead.
A Russian rider caught a car owner tossing garbage onto the road. What did he do? Picked it up, chased the car, and threw it all back inside.
Засранцы.
Братуш, вы ничего не забыли?
Ты чё, блядь, охуел, ёпта?
A simple moment of appreciation took an unexpected twist. A rider complimented a truck driver on his clean truck, but a misunderstanding over hand gestures led to an unnecessary confrontation.
I can't hear you. What? Huh?
What was the middle finger
You sped up at us.
I didn't speed up and shit.
Why don't you do that?
Speed up and shit.
Thanks for spitting on me, bud.
Yeah, keep it up. Flip me off again, motherfucker. You're such a badass, you. A rider, caught performing wheelies on a busy road, was pulled over by law enforcement. But this time, he got lucky. Instead of facing strict penalties, he encountered a surprisingly cool police officer whose reaction will leave you amazed.
I'm a fucking idiot.
What are you doing, dude?
I'm an idiot. I'm a fucking idiot.
What are you doing?
I'm an idiot. No bother.
I get it, man. You're out here on the beach doing your thing.
I know.
It's cool.
Literally,
I don't need nobody out here crashing today.
absolutely. I literally, that was the first one.
You have your license?
Well,
You have a Class M?
yes. That's what I'll tell you
You
right
see your
now.
license. Apparently. You live in California or here?
I've been staying here for a couple months.
Where's you can't have a plate on this bike?
No, it's a project bike.
You don't have a plate on it?
It's I literally just finished this bike.
You're jailing me right now.
I know.
You have any paperwork on the bike whatsoever.
I just not on it. Not the hat, but yeah, it.
You came all the way from Kansas. You're telling the truth, bro. I got my Kansas license too.
Yeah, I got something to
This is not even supposed to be on the street.
Yeah, I'm gonna go say it was I thought these for a couple minutes.
Full insurance.
Yes, I have it. It's not off.
Okay, you know you're supposed to have that stuff with you, right?
Well, then there's
If you're freaking ripping and you go down
I know, I'm
and
a
slide into somebody, because when you're on a slide, you don't have no control.
Yeah, I thought you.
I don't know how many times you've been down, but every time I go down, I got no control.
Yeah, no, I've been.
Like guys like this, I know, it's insane. I can't even believe the thing I see out here.
Oh, yeah. What's going on, man? You good?
Trying to be.
Okay, yeah, head that way. There's a park right up there. Get some water.
Yeah, man, there's other excuses. I've been riding for 10 years, and that was super shit I've done in a long time, but.
Oh, hey, I get it, man. I ride off duty too.
I
I ride 7 days a week, just about. Yeah, you have the dream job, dude. I ride this, and then I go home. I have Harley now, but I had Jitsu before. So I get it, dude. I get it. But time and place.
Absolutely, 100%.
You know what I mean? Willow Springs is not too far from here.
Yeah.
There's Irwindale. There's a bunch of places around here. Go to rip around and stuff. Parking lot, off the street. Don't have to be PCH.
There's no excuses, dude.
I'm out here shooting speed. All right? I'm getting guys doing 100 miles an hour in BMW stuff. Right? They're not going to see you. You know that. Especially if you're up riding. You know what I mean?
Yeah. All the time.
Dude, you're killing me right now.
Dang, dude. Good luck pulling it, bro. I'm not gonna run. I respect you guys. Oh, boy.
All right, Mr. Dalton. Today is your lucky day, man. You're getting a warning.
You're gonna get a warning?
Yeah, but it's a written one.
Oh, my
right?
God, dude. Thank you so much.
That being said, come on, man. Cruise. It's a badass bike. I'm not gonna lie. It's bitching. I love it. Okay? Super sexy. I would hate to see you lay it down.
Yeah.
Do something stupid. And I'm not criticizing riding you or whatever. I can tell you how to ride and biking. I get it. Not here, not now.
Like that.
That's it for today. Remember, always ride safe and stay responsible on the road. Don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling content. See you in the next one.